string Boolean method, we have few methods. Okay, now I will discuss that. See this one. First one is alphanumeric of. What's alphanumeric?
Letters in the alphabet, I mean in the string are alphabet and numeric.
Yes, the string will be in alphabet as well as in numeric. So see this example. Okay, so it will be in alphabet and numeric. If the string is in alphabet and numeric, then it is going to provide true. Okay, or else it will give false. So it is going to provide only a Boolean output. So Boolean value will be either true or false. So see here we have the string Python programming space 1. Okay, then string 1 equal to Python programming 1. So now I'm going to print str dot is alphanumeric of. Str dot is alphanumeric of. So I'm going to check whether the given string is in alphanumeric. Okay. So tell me, is this string is in alphanumeric? This one is not in alphanumeric, so it is giving false. Now see here, print string 1 dot is alphanumeric of. Then it is providing true because in string 1 I have Python programming 1. In programming 1 I have a alphanumeric string. Okay, so it is providing true. Next one is alpha of. So in is alpha of, see the example string equal to Python programming, string 1 equal to Python programming 1, print str dot is alpha of. So I am getting the output true because in string I have all alphabets. இதில் வந்து உங்களுக்கு alphabets மட்டும்தான் இருக்கு. So it is providing true. Next one is print str1 dot is alpha of. str1 dot is alpha of. Then it is providing false. Why? Because here I have alphanumeric string. So it is providing false. Next one is digit of. In is digit of, it returns a Boolean value true if all the characters are in numeric. Okay, so see the example string Python programming space 1. Then string 1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I am printing print str dot is digit of. Okay, it is checking is digit of. Okay, so is digit of. So here we have the alphabets. So it is giving the output false. Then print str1 dot is digit of. So it is checking whether it is all digits. So here I have 1 to 5. So it is providing 2. Next one is lower of. It returns the Boolean value true if the character is in lowercase. So I have given a string Python programming. Here string is in lowercase. So print str dot is lower of. Okay. So is lower of will give you the output true because in this string all the letters are in lowercase. So I am getting the output true. So now tell me the output for this print str dot lower of. str dot lower of. அப்ப என்ன output வரும்?
That will return all the output in lowercase.
Yes, it will return the output in lowercase. Next one is upper of. Okay, is upper of. Also it will return the Boolean value true if it is in uppercase. Okay, string equal to Python programming print str dot is upper of. So in the Python programming uppercase ல இருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணோம். இங்க uppercase ல இருக்கா? Uppercase ல இல்ல, so it is giving false. If I am going to print it as print str dot upper of, what will be my output?
மேம் எல்லா கேரக்டரும் அப்பர் கேஸ்க்கு சேஞ்ச் ஆகுமா?
Who has given the answer?
மேம் வசீகரன்.
Vasigaran. Okay. So it will change it into uppercase. Okay. So நம்ம output என்ன வரும்? Python programming இருக்கிறது uppercase letterல Python programming print ஆகும். is upper of செக் பண்ணா என்ன பண்ணும்? அது uppercase இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு செக் பண்ணும். வெறும் upper of கொடுத்தா அது அப்படியே uppercase கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணும். Is face off. Okay. Next one is face off. I'm sorry. Is upper of முடிஞ்சிச்சு. Next one is title of. Now I want to check whether this is a title case. Title case string on a first letter. This letter should be in caps. Okay, Python programming in the P caps it is in title case. So print str dot is title of. It is true. Okay, in this P and this P, if it is in small letter, it will give the output as false. Okay, next one is space off. In this space off, it returns true when the white space is present. Okay, so see this example. str, I have given an empty string. Okay, that is the space I have given. சரியா print string dot is space off அப்படின்னு கொடுக்கும் இந்த string வந்து space ஆன்னு செக் பண்ணு it is a space so it is providing true alphanumeric of alpha of is digit of is lower of is upper of is title of is space of isன்னு ஆரம்பிக்கிறதா இருந்தாலே அது என்னதான் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணும் either true or false is இல்லைன்னா அப்பர்ன்றதா அப்பர் கேஸா மாத்திரும் டைட்டில் ஆஃப் மாட்டா டைட்டில் கேஸ் மாத்திரும் ஓகே then lower off lower மாத்திரும் அதெல்லாம் நீ பார்த்து